Hello and welcome. I am Phalla from khmertutor.com. Today you will learn this vowel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment and hit the bell icon. This lesson will help you to pronounce and use this vowel with different Khmer consonants. Let's dive in and start learning. The first sound of this vowel is O. O used with all sound series consonants. O has short sound. Say O with aspiration while you pronounce this vowel. O. O. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now, repeat after me. Oh. 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 Good. And here are some examples. Cho. Do. Chlo. Có cò. Chòm no. Ti nú. Miến. Manu. Có cò. The second sound of this vowel is U. U used with all sound series consonant. U has short sound. Say U with aspiration while you pronounce this vowel. U. U. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now, repeat after me. U. 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 Good. And here are some examples. Pu. Chiru. Nu. Mơ thlu. Bò pu. Chun chang ni mơ thlu pi mà khang từ mà khang. And now you learn sra o and sra u. I hope you found this video is useful. Make sure subscribe, like the video, comment and hit the bell icon. If you want to learn Khmer with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Want to support my channel? Go to the more info below. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.